You know, folks, cuttlefish are the ocean's chameleons, or should we call them the sea-meleons? These fascinating creatures are simply a cuttle above the rest. With their surreal ability to change color and texture on a whim, they're the masters of disguise in the underwater world. Imagine if you could alter the color of your shirt to match your mood, or blend into the wallpaper when your boss walks by. That's the daily life of a cuttlefish. But their talents don't stop at their chameleon-like abilities. They also boast an incredibly developed eyesight, far superior to our own. These sea creatures can see a spectrum of colors we can't even comprehend, and it's not just the colors they spot. Cuttlefish are known to have a keen eye for detail, spotting the tiniest of prey hidden in the sand. With such out-of-the-world abilities, one can't help but wonder if cuttlefish are the aliens of the sea. So here's a theory that's been floating around. Cuttlefish are not from this planet. Sounds fishy, right? This hypothesis, as outlandish as it may seem, has been circulating in scientific circles and amongst marine enthusiasts for some time. The theory begins with the unique and almost supernatural abilities of the cuttlefish. These marine creatures can change their skin color and pattern in a split second, mimicking their surroundings with a precision that leaves even the most advanced human technologies in the dust. This ability to manipulate their appearance is so advanced that it begs the question, are these Earthlings or extraterrestrials? Not only are their camouflage capabilities beyond comprehension, but their eyes are also unlike anything else found in the animal kingdom. Cuttlefish eyes are W-shaped, a characteristic not shared by any other creature on Earth. The theory suggests that this might be an adaptation to an alien environment, a relic from a time when the cuttlefish might have lived on another planet. Then there's the cuttlefish's intelligence. They are known to be among the smartest of invertebrates, capable of learning, adapting, and problem-solving. Some researchers even compare their cognitive abilities to those of crows and apes. Could this be a sign of an extraterrestrial origin? The origin of this theory can be traced back to the late 20th century, when scientists began to notice the strange and unique qualities of the cuttlefish. As our understanding of the universe expanded, so did our imagination and our willingness to contemplate the possibility that life on Earth might not be entirely terrestrial. Of course, the alien hypothesis is just that, a hypothesis. It's an idea that challenges our understanding of life on Earth and forces us to think outside the box. But isn't that what science is all about? Challenging our perceptions, pushing boundaries, and exploring the unknown? So if cuttlefish are aliens, does that mean our oceans are their extraterrestrial waters? Let's dive into the details, or should we say, the alien details. When we think of aliens, the first image that comes to mind is often a creature unlike anything we've seen on Earth. Now, imagine being able to change your color and texture in a blink, possessing advanced eyesight that sees beyond what we humans could ever perceive, and exhibiting complex behaviors that leave us baffled. Sounds like an alien, right? But these are not the characteristics of an extraterrestrial being from a sci-fi movie. These are the traits of a creature from our very own oceans, the cuttlefish. The ability of cuttlefish to change their color and texture is nothing short of mesmerizing. They can transform their appearance to blend in with their surroundings, communicate, or even hypnotize their prey. This incredible feature echoes the classic descriptions of shape-shifting aliens from popular culture. Now let's talk about eyesight. Cuttlefish have one of the most advanced visual systems in the animal kingdom. Their W-shaped pupils allow them to see polarized light, a type of light humans can't perceive. This gives them a superpower-like ability to spot prey, predators, and mates in the murky depths. Doesn't that remind you of the enhanced vision often attributed to aliens in sci-fi lore? But the similarities don't stop there. Cuttlefish also exhibit complex behaviors that seem otherworldly. For instance, they use a sophisticated form of communication involving color changes, postures, and movements. They even display tactical deception, a behavior so complex, it's rarely observed outside of primates. Quite alien-like, wouldn't you agree? It's fascinating to think that creatures as extraordinary as cuttlefish exist right here on Earth. Yet, their unique abilities and behaviors align so closely with our imaginative depictions of aliens, it makes you wonder if they are indeed Earth's very own extraterrestrials. Cuttlefish seem to have come straight out of a sci-fi movie, don't they? If cuttlefish are aliens, it might be time to update our Welcome to Earth signs to include underwater directions. Imagine for a moment what this reality might look like. Would we be living in a world where the definition of alien is no longer constrained to the realm of outer space? Or perhaps we'd be sharing our planet with extraterrestrial life forms that we've been blissfully unaware of for centuries. This theory, as wild as it may sound, could fundamentally shift our understanding of life on Earth. We've always assumed that life as we know it is a product of our planet's unique conditions. But what if life exists in forms we've never even considered? What if, in the vastness of our oceans, lies a species that originated from a distant star? Accepting the cuttlefish as an alien species would mean acknowledging the possibility of life forms that defy all our current knowledge and expectations. The implications are enormous, not just for scientists but for all of humanity. It would compel us to rethink our approach to conservation and marine life. Suddenly, the urgency to protect our oceans wouldn't just be about preserving biodiversity, but about safeguarding potential alien life forms. Conservation efforts would need to be amplified, and our understanding of marine biology would need to expand to accommodate these extraordinary creatures. And beyond that, it might change how we see ourselves. If cuttlefish are indeed aliens, then we're not just inhabitants of Earth but hosts to interstellar guests. It could serve as a humbling reminder of our place in the universe, and of the incredible, awe-inspiring mysteries that lie beneath the surface of our own planet. It's quite a thought, isn't it? Our oceans might be teeming with extraterrestrial life and we've just been calling them fish. So, are cuttlefish really the aliens of the sea, or is this theory just a bunch of squid-dull? Let's dive into it. The cuttlefish as aliens theory has its tentacles wrapped around a handful of compelling evidence. These creatures showcase behaviors and abilities far beyond the norm of marine life. Their exceptional color-changing abilities, for instance, are akin to something out of a science fiction movie. They can instantaneously change their appearance, blending seamlessly with their surroundings, an impressive feat that even the most advanced human technology hasn't been able to replicate. Furthermore, cuttlefish possess a highly developed nervous system and complex brain structures, suggesting a level of intelligence that's extraordinary among sea creatures. Their intricate communication methods and problem-solving skills echo the advanced societies we associate with intelligent extraterrestrial life. On the flip side, skeptics argue that these attributes might just be the result of evolution's fine-tuning, not proof of extraterrestrial origin. After all, evolution has produced a diverse array of life forms on Earth, each uniquely adapted to its environment. The cuttlefish's impressive abilities could simply be a testament to the wonders of natural selection, not interstellar intervention. So, what does the scientific community make of this theory? Truth be told, it's taken with a pinch of sea salt. While the idea of cuttlefish as aliens makes for an entertaining conversation, there's currently no concrete scientific evidence supporting extraterrestrial origins. Like many theories, it remains in the realm of speculation, a tantalizing what-if scenario. That said, the alien label doesn't diminish the cuttlefish's grandeur. If anything, it highlights just how remarkable these creatures truly are. Whether they're from another planet or not, they constantly astound us with their abilities, reminding us of the vast, unexplored mysteries lurking beneath the ocean's surface. Whether they're from another planet or not, one thing's for sure, cuttlefish are one of the most incredible creatures on Earth, or should we say, in the universe. So, next time you're at the beach, look out into the ocean and remember, you might be staring at an alien world. Let's take a moment to revisit the captivating journey we've just embarked on. We've explored the notion that cuttlefish, these intriguing stars of the sea, might be extraterrestrial. We've delved into their astounding similarities to the alien creatures we imagine, and questioned whether we are truly alone, or simply oblivious to the marine companions that share our planet. We've probed the enigma, are cuttlefish Earthlings or aliens? It's a question that has stirred our curiosity, sparked our imagination, and challenged our understanding of life as we know it. As you gaze upon the vast expanse of the ocean, think about the wonders of marine life and the mysteries yet to be uncovered. Consider the cuttlefish, and the extraordinary possibility that our world might be more alien than we realize. And remember, folks, in the grand scheme of things, we're all a little alien, especially if you're a cuttlefish.